We were gifted these yellow green beans. I know normally we have green beans, but these are yellow green beans, and I found that very interesting. Aren't these yellow beans?
Green beans.
They're green beans, but they're yellow. They're yellow. I don't know.
Yeah.
What do you call it? Because they normally say green beans, but then the green beans are now yellow. So what you call it? Yellow beans are green beans.
Green beans.
I don't know. Tell me in the description box what you think, what they are called. But I'm just getting information. They're yellow beans and they're milder than the green beans. Okay, so they're actually not green beans, but they're family of the green beans, meaning that they're yellow and they're milder. Well, that's very nice to know. Okay, so you're gonna prepare them just like you do the green beans. You're gonna snap the ends off, and then you just put it in your pan. Daddy, show me. I put it in the pan now. Snap the ends off. Don't take my clothes tonight, you know. And put it in the pan. And that's all you do. And then you wash them. And then you can snap them in half if you wish. You see? Alright, so I just thought that I would share that with you guys. Very interesting. And if I can get to video us cooking them, I'll do that in a little bit. Alright? Stay tuned. Let's chat while I cook. I did a little bit of research after that conversation. Came to find out that these beans are called yellow beans or green beans. Some people call them, some say yellow wax beans, some say yellow string beans. And actually, we do have only green beans that I know of back home, and we call them string beans. So when we came across these beans that looked like green beans but were of a different color, we were confused as to what to call them. And of course, they are also called bush beans, as you see in the little bit of clip right there. So it's always nice to learn as you grow, and information is knowledge. Thank you for watching.